아이언 어쩌 뭐라고? 야, 아무도 없어. 우리 늦게 온 건가 설마? 왜 늦게 왔지? 바로 버드쇼로 보러 가면 된대. 타시요 1인 1좌석. 아빠 타? 고민하고 그래? 빨리 가야 된대. 와, 사람 많다. 잘 안 보여.
And now introducing our host for today, Mr. Sherby.
Alright, so good morning everyone. So did you see our beautiful pigeons? Did you know that the pigeons were used as a messenger to carry out message to our friends? Now amigo originated from South America and inhabited in the rainforests of Brazil. And in the way, amigo is a very responsible bird and who loves to see his environment clean. So as you can see, we have here sample of trashes and let's see what amigo will do. Alright, everybody? So we pick up the plastic cup, walk all the way, open the bin and drop it inside. And for the second one, buddy, you pick up the Coca-Cola can, walk all the way, open the bin and drop it inside. And for the last one, so you pick up the this time, buddy, I want you to wave at them. Wave at them. Good bird.
예쁘게
One more
생겼다.
time, wave at them.
진짜 큰데?
Alright, so macaws have a very long tail and feathers that can grow. See how Jumbo will get his reward. So be careful, lift up the plastic basket and get his reward. So we're louder. Alright, so let's have horse with Mr. Ian. So while Mr. Chris is preparing the Jumbo's letters, let's have a short interview with Miss Debbie. So Miss Debbie, good morning, how are you? Alright, so what are Jumbo's favorite food?
Variety of fruit, seeds, and vegetables.
Alright, so we pick up the letter E. This is horse spelled H-O-R-E-C. So is it correct?
They can mimic the different sounds of animals, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog, and also mimic a telephone ringing. By the rooster.
수탉.
How about cat?
무대 무대.
How about you?
오, 이건 잘한다.
Okay, for the second song, may I ask first, who is celebrating their birthdays today or within this month? Hi, happy birthday, Blessing Birthday, because Lanya and Brody will sing happy birthday song. Everybody sing happy birthday.
음치야.
Ila to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds. A round of applause for our mankind glider. Okay, so our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Wow, very good catch. So we have here
Beta, beta.
Miss Debbie. She has the real food or the real prey because Hunter will not let go of the food.
쪼지도 않고 잡고만 있네.
So
그지?
So, Philippine Hawk Eagle is under the red list of IUCN, or International Union Conservation of Nature, as endangered
반갑겠다.
species threatened by habitat loss. To its small mammals, reptiles, and birds. A round of applause to our Philippine Hawk Eagle named Panther. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, for our grand finale, keep your heads up high to our Philippine white-bellied sea eagle named Marina. So white-bellied sea eagle are also known as like any other animals. The female is slightly larger than the male. A round of applause to our white-bellied sea eagle, Marina. And to seal this moment, we have here the flying log. We have here the symbol of love. Peace.
나 다칠 정도야. 끝날 때가 됐나 보다. 다 종밀성하네.
Respect and harmony. Our group of pigeons. And of course, before we totally end our show, let me introduce you the people behind the success of our show. My partner here on stage,
쟤 뭐야?
Debbie, together with Marina and
플라멩고 같은데?
all the way
그지?
from South America.
Sure, be. So thank you everyone and enjoy the rest of the while. Thank you.